We're starting off today's vlog overlooking all of that, and it's so pretty. We're on our way to a waterfall up in the northern part of Bali, and then swings and the golf course. I'm so excited. Look, there's a puppy.
It's very skinny.
So skinny. All their animals are tiny here. But this is what we're looking at right now. Go down here. You guys see this right now? That is a ginormous spider. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh. Ew. We just saw an iguana thingy and it was really cool, but that's disgusting. This is so pretty. Look at it. And there's like a little like bull cow thingy in there. Or not cow, I don't know.
It's just a cow.
It's something. Hey Kiki, do you love me? Do you, Kiki? What? That's disgusting.
It's alright. Come on. Show it.
Ew. Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. Aerith, how can you touch that? Well, my gosh. That is disgusting.
There's one of those poisonous ones, I think. Oh, look at the bat.
Oh my gosh. What in the world? That's disgusting. That's cool.
Come in. Come on.
Oh
Bats at our house.
my
Little bitty.
god. Andrew, you want to do it? Here you go. So freaking cool. Look at it. I want to touch it. Do you think it'll like...
No,
oh,
you're good.
Oh my gosh.
You can touch
Oh
it.
my gosh. Look at its claws.
I know.
Ah. Oh my gosh. I won't touch a snake, but that's as close as a snake it'll get. Oh, look how pretty it is. It is gorgeous, and there's like rice fields right there. They're super, super pretty. Look at that. There's a volcano too, but you can't see it because the clouds are kind of covering it. Like, look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. And then we have him. We're at a temple and it's so pretty. It's so pretty here.
Yeah, I tell you before, this is one of the public.
It's our driver.
They are coming from a really different village.
From what?
Jurassic Park.
So pretty. Look at all the fog. Aw, little baby, you're so cute. It's a Hello, baby. You're like Boo Boo Bear.
He's looking at me.
Nuh-uh. Don't let him bite you. This is a cute little baby. It's so cute. You got your little nubs. The little nubs.
Yeah, take a video. You can take a video. It's okay.
entrance to a golf course, and it is gorgeous. Just flew my drone and took some pictures here, so I will show you guys shortly that clip. I love it, and the clouds like that are so pretty. I love it. That one's big. Look how cute they are. Look, banana.
Oh, Patty, you got that out fast.
Yeah.
Recording.
Can I give this one?
Yeah.
Good though.
With the baby?
Yeah. No, baby. Boss. Yeah.
Big. With the baby.
Oh, Andrew. They know you have. They show you.
I think he wants one.
They're gonna take them out of my pocket.
Ew, he's peeing.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh,
They're so cute. The monkeys are so freaking cute. Look how cute they are. And that one has a baby.
yeah, that's the baby.
The little
Look
one's
at the baby.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Give him.
They like your banana.
If you sit down, you think they'll.
The fog and the clouds are so pretty. Look how pretty everything is. Why am I not exfoliating it here? Because I'm on vacation and I can't bring it all. Mom told me not to. Y'all need to exfoliate. Hey, Aries, how often do you exfoliate?
Every day.
No, wrong, lie. My nose is burned.
Look at my skin compared to yours. Mine's beautiful.
No, I don't have anything on.
Yeah, you do. You got something right there.
Liz is trying to convince me that I need to exfoliate twice a day.
Not twice a day,
Or,
twice a
twice a
week. Yeah, so I just ate and I got these chicken nuggets and they tasted like fish. Yeah, and then I think this is pasta sauce, right, Adrian?
You just need with them.
No. And tomato. Tomato. That's what my plate looks like. We just went on the swing and it's over like literally like right there and it's so cool. And now we're gonna go leave and go to a waterfall. Oh my gosh. And it's 1:12. This is like right by where we just ate, and it's so pretty. I just loved everything. Like, there's the steps to go up to the restaurant. There's the little chickens. Their little chickens here are so skinny because they hardly get any food. And our chickens are so fat. But I'm just waiting right now. And then we are about to go to the waterfall. It starts with an S. I don't remember exactly what it is, but I'm so excited. And today we've already done like a ton. And it's only like 1 o'clock now. No, 1:19, so. Look at the L. I'm touching an L. The yellow eyes. Baba, this is for you. Look at that. So cute.
There's snakes in those things.
Look at how soft this guy is.
Oh, little fuzzy little thing. Like a little pit boo bear. Look at all the monkeys on the side of the road. So cute. There's wild monkeys.
Wild monkeys.
We're at the waterfall, and there's so many stairs going down. It's gonna suck coming back, but look how pretty it is. Oh my God.
See that carrot? Right there.
Look at the green beans.